So here's how to set up Brevo on WordPress. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. To, to set up Brevo to your WordPress, what you need to do is you have to go to your WordPress dashboard. Once you are there, now here you have to simply go to the left menu. Now scroll down and go to the plugins option. Then click on the add new plugin option. Now here in the search bar you have to type in SMTP mail. After that click on the OK. Once you click on it, now from these plugins you have to simply scroll down and go to this plugin. Now to install this SMTP mailer plugin, click on the install option. Once it has been installed, then click on the activate option. Moving to the next step, now you have to click on the install plugins option. Here you have to select SMTP mailer and then click on the settings option. Now here you have to enter these things in these boxes. In first box you have to enter this command. After that move to the bottom and go to the SMTP port option. Now select the port that you want to. After that click on the save changes option here. Now to preview it you have to click on the test email option at the top right corner. Now here as you can see that the Brevo setup has been done successfully. So that's how to set up Brevo on WordPress.